So, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm gonna break down the trade that I took today during PM session. I also recorded AM session as well, but the recording got fucked. I don't know why. I took a long setup here. I will explain it later. Firstly, I want to talk about the what's my next draw on liquidity and what's my bias for upcoming weeks. In my opinion, we're going to be bearish till this, but I don't have a full confirmation that we're going for this low and not only for this fair value gaps here. Hopefully my sound is recording, because I literally said this like 20 times today in the recording and they got deleted because there was no voice. So the previous video that I recorded for you guys, it's on the YouTube, I said that this fair value gap will get inversed and will hold price, and the next draw would be this low, which became market structure shift for the for this price leg, and is also a breaker block. So this is a breaker block. Okay, breaker block. This is a breaker block. We have a ICD unicorn setup on daily time frame. So this is a fair value gap. Let me work this quickly. So this is how I mark my fair value gaps, guys. So this is the consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. This is the high of the fair value gap. This is the low, of course, of the fair value gap. So today I was not fully incorrect, but I was not correct either. I thought today's daily candle will be bullish to this fair value gap. I thought the draw would be bullish, but I was incorrect. But I was not incorrect as well, because I also said that we could potentially make another fair value gap and then retrace. That is, I think, what's happening right now. So in my opinion, this sell side will be taken according to monthly time frame, because we took this high, we are starting to retrace, and this is a fair value gap that I think will be drawn in. But we could potentially react off of this mitigation block. So, but still, it's just my intuition that this sell side will be taken on a weekly time frame as well. I see a lot of these swing lows being taken on lower time frames very often, so I would anticipate this low to be taken. But it's just my opinion. It's not fully technical. So for tomorrow and maybe a couple days more, my draw will be this fair value gap and this breaker, so this unicorn setup, and then to the sell side. And also I can use this standard deviation for daily time frame, and this place also aligns with this zone 2 to 2.5 zone, and fourth is very extra 2 to 2.5 zone aligns with this place, so it's just another confluence for me that we will take this low up. Okay, let's break the trades down now. So going in today, I was bullish. Maybe I was too bullish that I shouldn't have been, but it worked. I don't know. My bias was not fully correct, but it was not wrong at all. So on AM session we were bullish. On AM session my bias was correct. So what I did on AM session, it was so going into 9:30 opening, I didn't trade AM session before 9:30. I didn't trade it. So on 5-minute time frame we can see ES was better to trade, to be honest, but I was not looking at the ES charts at the moment. So we have a 5-minute fair value gap here. The price is chopping around, respecting it, but we're still chopping around. So let's go on 1-minute time frame. So we had an SMT on these lows. ES was stronger. ES made a higher low. We made low here. So ES was stronger, but I still traded NQ because I didn't look at ES at the time. We pretty much disrespected this fair value gap, but if I didn't have a correct bias, I would be losing this trade right now. Maybe I wouldn't lose a trade because I would go break even right after this. This is a setup I could have taken, and I think I might not. I think I could have won the trade, but my target could have been this low, and I wouldn't be winning this trade, to be honest. Maybe it depends on the moment. What would my thought process would be during this trade, but that's not what we're here for, right? So this is the fair value gap, inversion fair value gap that I took the trade off of. So when we swapped these lows and formed an SMT, I didn't see it at SMT at the time, but this is another confluence that we were going bullish. So I took a buy position from here on my MetaTrader, and my target was I think I got filled around here. My stop was below here, and my target was these equal highs right here. So really good 1-2, 3.6 risk to reward, but my first initial take profit was 1-2 risk to reward. So I partialed out here, 50% of my position got partialed out here, and the rest of them was I left it for this size. As you can see, they got hit in here. That's for the AM session. Let's go to PM session, the trade that I took, like the live execution that you're gonna see. I was not fully correct. My initial TP was here, but because I could only trade one contract, I took my whole position off on 1-2 risk to reward. So here we are. We took lunchtime lows. We're in this. We're in this fair value gap. I'm expecting higher prices from here. When I saw this big ass displacement, I got in a trade here with 5 micros. I got in a trade around here. I didn't like the risk, it was too low. So as soon as I saw price was retracing to take out this sell side and mitigate this fair value gap, because we had a 3-minute fair value gap to get filled. As soon as I saw that, I got out on my position on micro in profit as well. By the way, I got in somewhere around here. Oh, wait, let's see. I got filled here. My stop was on the low, on this low, and my take profit now was 1-2. Oh no, yeah, here. My stop was way lower than it was here. Yeah, my stop was here, and my take profit was 1-2. As you can see, it was aligned with this as well, and I didn't use standard deviation, but it's also minus 1.5. We didn't really tap -2 this zone. This is the important zone. Not the best PM session in my opinion, because we dumped all the way down, took out this low, which was unreasonable for me. We're going up for some reason now. I don't know. Price action is not very best right now. I would not recommend you guys to trade this. But yeah, why did I enter this trade? We took out sell side. I was bullish, as I said, for the couple days. Then we came down, took out this sell side, which makes this low strong low for me. There's a fair value gap, big displacements, market structure shift here, and I entered the trade and targeted 1 to 2 risk to reward. I think price might drop down from here because I don't see any reason if we're going up to come down this low and then start to go up. I don't see any reason of that. It would be really unfortunate for me, but I don't care. I'm not in trade anymore. As soon as I saw the disrespect on this as well, I do have it on my chart, on my live execution as well. Let's turn this off. This is a good confluence for me with this wick to the range. We're keeping this range here. The wicks got in the range, which was pretty good confluence for me and gave me more confidence that we would at least take out this high before dumping down. So and also we inversed this, which gave me more confidence as well that we would go up from here. Price just came down to this fair value gap. After this we rally up. After we take out this sell side, we rally up. I put my stop on break even after this because we had a break in market structure here. Price rallies up, another displacement with the fair value gap, comes down and takes out buy side here and hits my TP. I think that's it for today. I made 1% in profit. I risked 0.5% today and made 1% in profit. So now you're gonna see the live execution. Enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed the execution and hope you guys enjoyed this trade breakdown as well. I'm gonna continue uploading more videos about ICT concepts as well, like I uploaded how to find draw on liquidity. I wanted to say this here. I just got the first group. This is my first month for my WealthyEye group of students. I have a group of people who I'm teaching currently till February. I think it will take 1 month, in my opinion. And when February comes, there will be more free spaces for if any of you want to learn. I can teach in Georgian and in English as well, both languages. I can teach Georgians and English, no problem. Join the Discord and hope you guys enjoyed this. Like and subscribe. See ya and have a great trading week. Goodbye.
Back again. Brothers, sisters, everybody say. Gonna bring the flavor, show you how. Got a question for you, better answer now. Am I original? Yeah. Am I the only one? Yeah. Am I sexual? Yeah. Am I everything you need? You better rock your body now. Everybody. Yeah. Rock your body. Yeah. Everybody. Rock your body right. Easy's back. All right.
When I talk to the shrink, you bet not blink. 99 problems that start with the kink. One in a pink, one in a stink. When you shave it down, is it still mink? Come sue me, me to me. Surviving, yay, come shoot me. You wanna color me bad like a cool G. You wanna pack me up like a to me. Everybody waiting for me to say the wrong